Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 10 Force and Friction part 1. Topics to be covered: force and its effects and types of forces. Force, a push or pull on an object, is termed as force. For example, you can see in this slide a man is pushing a box and another side man is pulling. So this example is example of force. And another example, in many sports, for example, football, the ball is kicked and passed on to another player, or the ball is received from another player and redirected to another player or to the goal. To do all these changes in the motion of the ball, we require force. So we can also observe the action of force and motion it causes in our daily lives. Effects of force. There are many effects of force. Force is a pull or a push on an object. Force is exerted when two objects interact with each other, and force is equal size but opposite in direction. So, force in action, making the things move, slowing things down, keeping the things still, and speeding the things up. For example, when move and force is move an object from its state of rest or increase the speed of moving object. By applying force, we can make stationary ball move by pushing or kicking it. If we push it harder, the ball will move faster with a greater speed. And force decrease the speed of a moving object or stop a moving object. For example, by applying a force in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of the moving ball, we can decrease its speed or completely stop it. Force can change the direction of a moving object. For example, in cricket, by applying a force, a batsman hits the ball and directs it to a different direction. Force can change the shape of an object. For example, by applying force with our hand, we change the shape of dough while making chapatis. Types of force. Contact. There are two main types of force: contact forces and non-contact force. And in contact force, applied force, spring force, drag force, frictional force, and normal force. These all are the example of contact force. Non-contact force, magnetic force, electric force, and gravitational force. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about contact force. The In contact force, I'm going to discuss about muscular force. When an object is pushed, pulled, or lifted by the action of muscle, that force is called muscular force. For example, a weightlifter weight lifts the heavy weight with the force applied by his arm. And frictional force. Frictional force is also a contact force. You can see in this slide the resistive force opposing the motion of an object that act between the two objects in contact with each other is called frictional force. In simple terms, a frictional force is a force which opposes the motion. We will discuss about frictional force in detail in our next class. It is easier to slide down ice as shown in the as ice than on grass because friction is less on ice than on grass. Non-contact force, the force acting between two objects that do not require any physical contact between them is called non-contact force, like magnetic force. The force exerted between two magnets or between a magnet and a magnetic material such as iron, nickel and cobalt is called magnetic force. In a magnet, there are two poles, north pole and south pole. Just like charge in electrostatic, like poles of a magnet repel each other and unlike poles attract each other without any contact. The magnetic force that acts between the bar of magnet is a non-contact force. Electrostatic force, the force exerted by a charged object on another charged or uncharged object is known as electrostatic force. Contact between the object is not required in electrostatic force. Therefore, electrostatic force is another example of non-contact force. There are two types of charges, positive and negative. The force between them uh, can either be attractive or repulsive, unlike the attractive and gravitational force. Two positive charges or two negative charges will repel each other, but a negative charge and a positive charge will attract each other. In other words, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So, electrostatic force is an example of non contact force. Gravitational force. Everything pulls everything else in the universe. The force of attraction with which objects pull each other is called gravitational force. For example, the sun pulls earth, gravitational force between them makes the earth moves around the sun. Similarly, the gravitational force makes the moon move around the